Are you constantly wondering where all your money goes? You might be making one of these 5 financial mistakes that are quietly draining your wallet. But don't worry, today I'm going to help you fix them and get back on track to financial freedom. Hi, I'm Amy. I'm a qualified accountant with a law degree and with over 10 years experience working in finance. My goal here is to help you create a life where money doesn't hold you back. So in this video, I'm sharing 5 most common money mistakes that keep us broke. And more importantly, I will walk you through how to fix each one of them. By the end of this video, you'd know exactly how to stop these habits and start growing your savings. So, with that being said, let's dive in. Mistake number 1, living without a budget. The first mistake is living without a budget. Trust me, if you don't have a budget, your money will disappear. It will grow wings and it will fly without you even knowing where it went. Imagine you earn £3,000 a month. Without a plan, even small daily purchases like coffee, like the delivery, can add up to £90, £100 a month. That is £1,000 a year. Come on now. That's a holiday, a new laptop, or a solid emergency fund gone on coffee or gone on paying delivery. Now, this is how you can fix it. Use the 50-30-20 rule. So allocate 50% of your income to your needs, 30% to wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Take control of your money and you'll be surprised how much you can save just by being mindful. As John Maxwell said, a budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Mistake number 2 is keeping the emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Whether it's a car repair or a sudden job loss, having a financial cushion is crucial. Start small. So if your monthly expenses are £1,500, aim to save £4,500 to £9,000. I know that sounds like a lot, but by putting away even £100 a month, you'll build up that safety net over time. Also, automate your savings. Set up a standing order or a direct deposit to transfer a portion of your income, say £100, directly into your emergency fund each month. You won't even notice it's gone, but your peace of mind will definitely grow. Benjamin Franklin was right when he said, "By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail." An emergency fund prepares you for the unexpected. Mistake number 3, overspending on things you don't need. It's easy to get caught up in buying the latest gadgets or indulging in impulse purchases. But these little expenses add up real fast. So, let's say you spend £100 a month on clothes, tech, or eating out. That's about £1,200 per year. Imagine how far that money could go if you were to put it towards paying off your debts or saving for something meaningful. So I want you to separate your needs from your wants. Before making any purchases, ask yourself, do I really want this, or can it wait? Give yourself 24 hours to decide before buying it. It will save a lot of impulse regret. Mistake number 4, using credit cards like free money. Why do we do that? You know, credit cards can be useful, but using them to fund everyday purchases like groceries, entertainment, can get you into serious debt. Now let's break it down. Say you put down £1,000 on a credit card with a 20% interest rate and you only make minimum payments. It could take years to pay off, and you could end up spending hundreds of pounds on interest, money you could have saved or invested. And let me tell you, minimum payment is all interest. So for example, if you're paying £20 as minimum payment, £19.50 is interest. 50p is what you pay towards your debt repayment. So avoid minimum payment if you can. Only use your credit cards for expenses you can pay off in full each month. And if you're already in debt, focus on paying it down fast. You can try the avalanche method, which is paying off the highest debt first, or the snowball method, where you start paying off the smallest balance first. It's up to you. Mistake number 5, not investing early enough. Mistake number 5, waiting too long to invest. Many people think you need to be rich to invest. But the truth is, the earlier you start, the less you need to invest over time to build wealth. So let's do the math. If you start investing £100 a month at 25 with an average return of 7%, by the time you're 65, you'd have around £265,000. But if you wait until you're 35 to start, you only have about £120,000. The difference is time. So start now, even if it's small. Look into index funds or low-cost investment platforms. It's never too early or too late to start building your financial future. So those are the 5 mistakes that might be keeping you broke. Living without a budget, neglecting your emergency savings, overspending on wants, misusing your credit card, and waiting too long to invest. But the good news is you can fix them all. It's all about making small, consistent changes that add up over time. If you found this video helpful or useful, hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips on managing your money. Let me know in the comments, as usual, which of these mistakes you're going to fix first. Until next time, take care. Bye.